Welcome to a tutorial on using page breaks with multiple choice questions to direct students to a variety of questions. So I started with one question here that says, what position do you hold in the school district? I'm going to make this multiple choice, and I'm going to say teacher, admin, support staff. I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to go to add item, but I'm going to hit the arrow, and I'm going to say insert page break. And then I'm going to say teacher, done. Insert page break, admin, done. Page break, support staff, done. Now, under each page, what I can do now is add a question. So I'm going to come in here and put multiple choice. How many years? And actually, I'm going to switch this to a text question. How many years have you taught? I'm going to add one more. What subject? Required. Now I'm going to come under admin, and I'm going to add an item. And let's say we want to know what position. And you can keep going with admin questions, and then you can do the same with support staff. Text question. What is your job title? So required, done. So now if I come back up to my first question, I can now check mark go to page based on answer. So you'll see here continue to next page, but I want this answer to take us to teacher. I want this answer to take us to admin. And then I want this question to take us to support staff. So now when I look at the form, I technically only see one question. But if I answer teacher, hit continue, now on the teacher page, it allows me to answer it. And what you're seeing here is for teacher, I might also want to make this a multiple choice. Add other, put in some choices. And then go to page based on answer. So if we're done with the form, we can say if they answer this, it's done. If they answer this one, it's done, done, and done. So now this allows us, I'll refresh this form. So CTE, continue, and it's submitting the form. So that's the basics on using pages and directing students to particular questions depending on how you want your assessment or Google form to go. Welcome to a video on showing you how to insert pictures and videos into a Google form and then asking questions about them. So we're going to start with a picture. I went to Google Drive and found this picture. I'm going to right click and copy image URL. Come back to your form. I'm going to hit add image. So now up here you have a variety of different methods of getting your image in. I'm going to use by URL, paste, select, and now we have an image in here. I can title the image if I would like. I can reorganize the order in which these pop up, and let's say you want to ask a question about this image next. So add item, multiple choice, and then you can say picture above shows what for number 2. And then you can have your options down here. And then it would relate, and you can keep going on and on with questions relating to this image. You can also click the arrow next to add in a video. So this time I went to YouTube, I found a video. I can copy video URL, come back to your form. You can search for videos right on here, but I already know the URL, so I'm going to tell it to paste. It did not like that URL, so I'm going to try this one. That one it liked, so select. So now you could tell students to watch this video and then answer questions below it, same method as the pictures. So here I can come in and type in a question. What is option 1, option 2? Done. To show you what this looks like, view form. Here's your picture. Here's your video. You can go full screen. I'll pause the video. You can also change the position of the video. And that's the basics on utilizing pictures and videos.